Okay, a new item this week, guys, is this mosquito repellent cords. You get 4 cords, and yes, guys, this is new here at the Dollar Tree. They also have the Raid Fly Ribbon. Yes, it is a 4-pack as well. Bowl cleaner with bleach. Yes, that one is in the lavender scent. Wrinkle Away Spray refreshes wrinkles, removes static, eliminates odors, and refreshes. Okay, linen scent. Awesome Laundry Pre-Wash Stain Remover. Okay, guys, this is the Scrub Buddy. It is a flower sponge, and you get 2. Springy color. So they have the bowl, and they also have the matching mug. It's really cute, right? Margarita glasses. Wine glasses. This one says wine because adulting is hard. Tell me about it. Mason jars down here with the gold top or lid. And they have these right here. And those right there. This little glasses is really heavy too with the white top. This one, and they have this one right here. I think this one is new. Yes, so that one is new this week. Mason honey breast tenders. For $5. White Castle cheeseburger bites. These are $5. They also have the Arby's crinkle fries for $5. Bean dumplings up there, chicken and vegetable. Boneless beef ribeye steak. Mechanically tenderized. Okay. They also have these fruit bars in the single one. So this one is strawberry. This one is coconut. Oh my goodness, I think I want to try that one. Okay, they also have meatballs. Get 10 per pack. Cheese ravioli. I finally used the Queen V bar, and I like it. I like it a lot. Next Gen dandruff shampoo in the classic clean. It's power stick for her. Conditioner. It is for damaged hair. Okay, guys, another new find, which is this sinus rinse bottle, easy squeeze. Okay. So this is it right here. It says comfort tip, easy squeeze design, and it is reusable. They also have this nasal rinse in the saline pre-mixed packets. You get how many? Yes, 8 packs. Motion sickness relief, and you have stay awake, caffeine 200 milligrams. Okay. Eucalyptus. You have the cherry right here. This is After Sun Soothing Lotion. That's a new one. Turmeric gel cream mask. It is for hydrating. Okay, Vaseline Intensive Care Cocoa Glow with pure cocoa butter body cream. Okay. Dove body cream here for face and body for soft and hydrated skin. They also have Dove for the men for the face, hands, and body. Tea tree oil balancing face wash, guys. Yes, it is by Skin Nutrition. This raw shea butter soap. This is new. Pure and gentle with mint extracts. Okay, so this is transparent soap here. So we have body scrub, spice orange and cinnamon. This is body scrub, refresh in the watermelon and aloe. Body scrub in the mango butter and honey. Love your skin. This is body wash, vanilla bean and coconut. Rejuvenating vanilla bean plus moisturized rich coconut for glowing skin. Ooh, hidden little gems over here. I'm so glad I seen these. So this one is warm vanilla and peppermint. Wow. Oh yeah. great find. Okay guys, this is a new soap here. It is oatmeal and verbena, plant-derived scented soap. Okay, and it is vegan. Yay! We also have this one, which is oatmeal and coconut. It's vegan. This is 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner bar. This is the coconut scented one here, and they also have the lavender. Oh my goodness, that is great. 2-in-1. Yes, this is shea buttermilk moisturizing bath bar. Okay, for sensitive skin. These are just amazing, guys. And this one is the chamomile flower nourishing baby body. Okay. Activated charcoal. Oh my goodness. And this one is the oatmeal and almond. Okay, so we have the soft soap fresh breeze scent. We also have this one. Ooh, milk and honey scent, guys. Out in the vanilla honey, coconut water, and the Himalayan salt. This men's face and body wipes. You get 30 wipes. Deodorant wipes here by Power Stick. This one is the cool blue here. Cool blue water. Oh, disposable washcloths, alcohol free, and you get 18. And these are large, guys. It's a 12 by 8. These are not flushable though. Yes, this is wonderful. This is gel bunion cushions. Oh yes, thin and clear design contours to affected area. So this is amazing. This is great to have here. Here is a gel active invisible gel heel protectors. You get 1 pair. I like this. This is new, guys. Oh yeah. Skin tone fabric band-aids. You get 30 of these. Flexible fabric non-stick pad, 24 hours hold. So they have this one, and they also have this one. Alrighty guys, so look what we have. The Eco Gang. So yes, this is the double threaded floss picks, 50% plant-based handle. You get 50 of these. Okay, this charcoal. Okay, this Brush Buddies this toothpaste is infused with activated charcoal, naturally whitens in the cool mint. Brushes, we have new toothbrushes, guys. You get a 4-pack with the tongue cleaner. Oh, okay. That's a 2-in-1, so that's good. They also have these. These are new this week as well. These toothbrushes for the kids. Okay. Electric toothbrush, may I add. And they also have, well, this one has the battery. Did this one come with the battery? Okay, I know that one comes with the battery. Okay. This is the Avengers right here. We have these, a little pony. And this one, Hello Kitty. Okay guys, another hidden gem here. I purchased this one and I love it. Now this one is for the face. It is the Bio Blender Eco Tools 100% biodegradable cleansing mitt. So yes, I bought that one the last time I was here. I didn't get this one because I wanted to see how that one worked. I love it and I'm gonna get this one today. It's amazing. So yes, yes, and yes on that. Okay, we covered these, I think the last time we were here, and a lot of people really like these. This is a makeup sponge set here. Yes, it's a 2-piece. So you get that one, and they also have, this is a blender with the handle here. How cute, right? Oh yes, you can't go wrong with those, guys. Powder puff with case. Oh my goodness, I was just thinking about something like this. Oh my goodness. Yes. One for me, please. I need to put my things to the side. Okay. This lipstick is really pretty here. Lip Duo. And then this one is Get Ready to Shine Lip Gloss. Okay, this is new for me. This is new, the Chapstick Total Hydration, Moisture and Tint. Hint of color, 100% naturally sourced ingredients. Okay, one for me, please. My list is growing, guys. Oh, yes. I don't mind trying it. For $125, hey, can't go wrong. More beautiful nails. Yes, the French tip here, really pretty. Ooh, iridescent oval nails, guys. These are beautiful. We have this one. Oh yes, these are new this week, guys. We didn't have these last week. I know we had this one. We didn't have those. Cuticle oil and nail strengthener here. More cuticle oil here. And right there. The LA Color has this roll-on lip gloss, guys. Oh my goodness. Yes, all of these. They also have the jelly gloss here. Wow. Jelly balm. And the cream gel blush. Ooh, all of these different makeup palettes. Eyeliner and eyeliners. More eyeliners. How cute is this one? Oh yes. They also have a bronzer here. That's nice. Vanilla bean and honey, and they also have this bath bombs. Okay, so this is a new scent this week. Yay! They already had the coconut and the watermelon scent, but the vanilla bean and honey is new. Okay, these are still here, guys. I think these are here every week over the door hooks. Yes. They had a black one. I think I showed you guys the black one on last week. It was a smaller one, but it's really nice. I don't see them here right now, so apparently everybody loved those. So yeah, that's good. This is a wall mount wire rack here. Okay, these little sippy cups are new this week. And I have that one. This cute one here. And they also have these. These are new this week at my store. Yes. Well, all right, guys, that is it here today at the Dollar Tree. We found a lot of hidden gems today, and I know you guys enjoyed it. So if you did, please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share my content with others. Thank you all so very much for your support, and I'll see you all in the next one.